So guys, in this video we will see how to reset outlet camera, factory reset, reconnect Wi-Fi and re-add in the app. For this guys, first of all remove the camera from the app, open the outlet app on your smartphone, navigate to the account tab, select your camera under my outlet devices and scroll down and select remove this device. Step 2. Perform the factory reset. Ensure the camera is plugged into a power sources. Locate the small round button on the back of the camera right under the airband. Press and hold that button firmly for 15 seconds. Release the button immediately when you hear the camera announce resetting or see the status light turn off. If the camera does not respond after the 15 second, continue and holding the button for up to 60 seconds. Step 3. Repair the camera. Wait until the status light begin blinking red and blue and you hear the voice prompt say ready to pair. Return the account tab into the outlet app. Plus add outlet device. Follow the on-screen instruction to connect the camera to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and scan the QR code. So this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you.